Thank you, Craft Single, for being the only member of Group 1 who came to the meeting. I have something to share that might be worth your troubles. Well, since I have this, might as well read it.
What a fucking...
Hey, so now that you're done with the folder, can I have it back? By the way, since nobody voted to rejoin, as you know from the file, here's a new teammate. Her name is Document. Okay, good luck. I don't know what's going on, and I'm too afraid to ask. You know, I'm kinda tired of calling you guys Group 1 and Group 2. Your next challenge is to come up with a new name. Come back to me when you're ready. Alright team, do you guys have any ideas for team names?
No.
Well, shit.
Wait, I do have an idea, but it's gonna be outsourced, if you catch my drift.
What the hell was that?
Tommy, I don't know how to say this politely, so I won't. All of those team names fucking suck. Oh? Well, let's see how you'll be singing that tune when our team wins the challenge. So, what's one thing that everyone on this team likes? I would say suits, but Craft Single has some sort of childhood trauma related to it. Roller skating would also be a good option, but I don't know how to do it, so my feelings on it are complicated. Maybe Mike and Ike's, but Learn Spanish CD doesn't like how they get stuck in his teeth. What about Mad Libs? Everyone loves Mad Libs.
You're goddamn right.
You're ugly and you know it, clap your hands. If you're ugly and you know it, clap your hands. Okay, excuse me, can you stop that? I said you're ugly. Thanks, Judy. That'd be great, thank you. Now I'm gonna continue.
Alright, let's see those team names. Those were definitely some team names. I can't really choose, so I'll just let the referee from Punch-Out we decide. So, what does that mean? Did we win, or what? Yeah, I guess, since he pointed to the side that you guys were on.
Who could have seen this coming? Whoa!
Hold on, if the other team could get a prize several episodes ago, then we should get a prize too. Well, I kinda knew you would say that, so I bought a cruise ship. Ignore the fact that it looks like the Titanic.